how to set time on your iWatch. The time on your iWatch by default is the iPhone that you have connected it to, or the account that you have connected it to. So as you can see, the time on my iPhone and the iWatch is actually the same. So let's try going to applications, then go to settings in iWatch. In settings, scroll down till you see clock, and in clock here you can see I can actually scroll down, use the crown to add minutes. Let's say you generally run about 15 minutes late, and let's see if we can get there. I hit OK, and here you can see, so the time on my watch face is actually 15 minutes ahead of what it is on my iPhone. And the reason for that is, well, if you're running late or you're used to running late and you just want to push yourself, that is one reason, or you can have multiple reasons that you know best, right? But if I go to settings again, go to clock again, I can just revert this by reducing the time. And by the way, the time that you can set this is up to 59 minutes. You can't set it for more than 59 minutes, which is, I think, is all right. I'll just go back to 0, hit OK. But even if I scroll down here, you can see I can't actually manually set the time. And the reason for that is your iPhone. So if I go to my iPhone, unlock it, go to settings, and let's say I want to control my iWatch. So I've come to the watch application on my iPhone, scroll down till I see clock, and these are basically the same settings we saw on our iWatch. So that is not really helpful. So how do you actually do it? Go to settings, and in settings scroll down till you go to general, and scroll down further till you see date and time on your iPhone. Click on that. So here you can see we have 24-hour time. If that's what you want, you can do that over here. If that's what you want, you can do that, but it won't sync with your Apple Watch necessarily. Or you can turn off set time automatically, set time zone, or set the time manually. Let's say I go ahead. So here you can see I've actually set the time manually, and again the time on my Apple Watch has also changed. So I'm just going to give it a bigger difference so it's very apparent to you guys. So again, here you can see it's actually syncing with my iPhone and giving me the same time. So that is something you can do, or just set it automatically, and if you go to different time zones, it will automatically sync and you are done. You really don't need to hamper with it whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. Hopefully this video has been useful to you guys. If it has been, make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.